This video demonstrates an idChamp reading employee badges to enable only qualified drivers to drive the forklift and effectively report drive time for each driver. A manufacturing company was having trouble accurately understanding who was operating forklifts on site. Forklift operators had Bluetooth beacons that were detected and authenticated by their onboard Android application to register usage and task completion. Operators would leave the beacon on the forklift and enable anyone to drive without proper approval and management. For example, they had one report indicating an operator drove for 56 hours straight. Serialio provided this company with the Serial Device Manager libraries used to integrate the idChamp NF4X employee badge reader into their application. The idChamp is a wireless employee badge reader that can connect to any Android, iOS, Windows 10, or macOS device wirelessly. In this case, the idChamp NF4X badge readers are fixed on the forklift, which is simultaneously providing power to the idChamp and the Android tablet. Users scan their badge on the idChamp NF4X, and then, if they are an approved driver, are logged into the application. This enables the forklift to be driven and marks task progress and completion. Once done, or after a certain amount of time, employees are logged out of the app so the next employee can badge in when needed. This is one example of many of the unique use cases the idChamp brand NFC and UHF RFID readers can empower your organization to tackle. The SDM and SDK are provided free of charge for third-party app integration. However, idChamp NF4X devices are also supported by apps like Serial Magic Keys, providing scan solutions without any software integration necessary. Contact us at Serialio for more information and to get your hands on one today.